Effects of onion on it. What you did not know. The powerful effect of the onion on the limb of men and the number of benefits provided by the onion to maintain a good state of health. The onion contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B9, also contains potassium, silice, fiber, iron, sulfur, phosphorus, calcium, lysine, leucine, arginine, folic acid, and glutamic acid. The onion prevents thrombosis and aging of the arteries and veins, thanks to its silica content. Onion also reduces cholesterol and increases the ability of blood to dissolve internal clots, thus preventing coronary thrombosis. Onion has anti-anemic properties thanks to iron, phosphorus and vitamin E, which helps the generation of red blood cells and replenish the loss of blood of our body. The onion has expectorant action, as well as bactericide and fungicide. It is very useful in processes such as colds, bronchitis, pharyngitis, and other respiratory conditions. These benefits are only given when raw onions are consumed. The use of onion as a stimulant in intimacy is not current. In ancient Rome the onion was consumed to increase libido. When it reached the Middle Age it was banned in many religious houses because of its properties to improve life intimate of couples. The onion improves circulation in the limb area and fills you with energy. To obtain these properties, chop a medium-sized onion and add fresh honey and mix. Take 3 tablespoons of this mixture every morning and 3 in the afternoon. The onion is a very effective stimulant that constitutes a good remedy that helps to recover and stimulate the intimate desire. This is because it improves the sanguine irrigation in the member, giving a better firmness. The onion gives men strength in their limbs and helps them combat premature ejaculation naturally, so you can last longer in bed with your partner. The potassium that contains the foods, like in this case the onion, helps to increase the intimate desire, since the potassium plays a fundamental role in the hormones related to the sexuality. Simply put, the onion increases libido. The onion contains large amounts of quercetin. This substance has the particularity of favoring the blood circulation of the body, especially in the limb of men. Now I'm going to show you 2 more ways to consume onions to get good benefits in bed and in our health. Number 1. Cut into thin quarters a quarter of onion, add the juice of 2 lemons and a spoonful of olive oil, then eat it all. Number 2. Bring to boil for 5 minutes 2 chopped onions and 2 cloves of garlic in a liter of water, then remove from the casserole and let stand for 10 minutes, then strain and sweeten to your taste with honey. Take a glass in the morning and another in the afternoon. The onion also possesses many healthy virtues, combats acne, anemia, angina, asthma, cellulite, depression, slow and heavy digestions, eczema, constipation, flatulence, gastritis, gout, hemorrhoids, herpes, hypercholesterolemia, hypertension, insomnia, obesity, is antibiotic, is anti-cancer, is antioxidant, is antiseptic, and depurative. The onion practically serves everything. We can find it in any big or small market throughout the year and its price is very accessible, so there are no excuses to consume onion.
Spring onion is really amazing at treating sore throat, runny nose, and swollen legs. Also known as scallions or green onions, spring onions are in fact very young onions, harvested before the bulb has had a chance to swell. Both the long, slender green tops and the small white bulb are edible, and are good either raw or cooked. They have a similar flavor to onions, but are much milder. The goodness is that they are available all year round, and easy to grow in a vegetable patch from seed. Spring onions have anti-inflammatory properties. They are extremely useful against the cold, and the flu, and many ailments, such as high blood pressure, against fungi, stress, and fatigue. This means that you can use these super healthy foods to treat cold or throat, to alleviate the symptoms of the cold and the flu, reduce swollen legs, etc. Here's what you need to do. Sore throat, here's what you need to do. Just chop the spring onion in small pieces, and you can add grated ginger and some salt in it. Put the sliced ingredients together in a cloth bag or cloth and warm up. Wrap the warm compress in another cloth or towel and put it on the sore area, throat, chest, palms, or back. You will be amazed by the results. So, when you have problems with sore throat, you should try this simple trick. Swollen legs, here's what you need to do: just cook the spring onions for a few minutes. Then, you need to blend them in a blender until you get a paste mixture. Apply the paste on the swollen legs. This recipe has been used for hundreds of years, and it is very effective and useful. Runny nose, here's what you need to do: you need to mash the spring onion and soak a cotton ball or pad in its juice. Then, you need to apply the sweat compress on the nose and the sinus area.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Overnight onion poultice. Magical home remedy for cough, congestion, flu. In this video we are going to show you how to make the most powerful and most effective remedy, which will help you relieve cough, cold, and flu virus. Many people around the world have tried this simple but effective remedy, and they all say that this is really amazing. As we said, it is very simple. You just have to leave chopped onion near your bed. You've probably heard that many old people are saying that if you leave onion around your house, it will help you capture viruses and germs that may be floating in the air. We all know that onion is loaded with healthy nutrients, and it can provide many health benefits. But, did you know that you can use onion to relieve the cough and the flu? You just have to use this simple recipe, and you need to place this remedy on your nightstand and leave it overnight. This homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make but extremely effective. Just follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 large white wheat onion, medium-sized square of cheesecloth. Small bowl directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to put half of the onion in a food processor and process until chopped. Then, when you are done with that, you need to scoop the chopped onion onto cheesecloth square. Now, you need to bring the corners of the cheesecloth up to meet each other and twist together so that the dry corners are underneath the wet onion section. After that, you need to place the bowl and onion poultice on a nightstand. It should be close to your head, or the head of the sleeping child.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. You'll never throw onion skin away ever again after watching. Onions are irreplaceable vegetables which are used as an ingredient in various hearty warm dishes. They are very versatile and have a unique taste. Onions can be used boiled, baked, fried, grilled, roasted, or eaten raw in salads. But people often make the same mistake after peeling: they throw onion skin away. Therefore, today we will persuade you to never do it again. Many existing studies have shown that the onion skin contains lots of antioxidants that can improve human health on several levels. The outer layer of the onion, with a brown color, is rich in antioxidants, dietary fiber, and flavonoids, which are very useful for improving skin health. Onion skins contain plenty of antioxidants. Onion skin is rich in powerful plant pigment called quercetin, which is very effective for preventing clogged arteries and reducing hypertension. In addition, the onion skins have anti-cancer, antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. You need to include the onion skin in the diet, if you want to dramatically reduce the risk of the following diseases and conditions: cardiovascular disease, colon cancer, obesity, type 2 diabetes, gastrointestinal problems. Make an onion skin tea to improve poor blood circulation. This is an amazing detox drink, is prepared very simply. Collect the skins of onions in a glass jar. When you want to make a tea, put a few pieces of them in a bowl with boiling water. Cover to soak for about 15 minutes. Strain and drink before bedtime. Use the onion skins for soups and stews. Because skin cannot be eaten, it is best to use for cooking soups and stews. Quercetin, the main ingredient in the onion skin, is a powerful flavonoid, an antioxidant that fights against free radicals, causes of cancer. Studies show that the onion skin contains a high percentage of dietary fiber. According to many studies, the onion skin can be used as an excellent dietary supplement, because of its high content of insoluble fiber, which is very beneficial for regular and normal peristaltic movements of the colon. Additionally, these insoluble fiber helps to get rid of all toxins from the intestines, and to balance body's pH levels. Prevents formation of tumor cells and the onset of cancer. The fibers are beneficial for overall health because it reduces the risk of several health problems such as cardiovascular disease, colon cancer, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. The onion skin is not recommended to use during pregnancy and breastfeeding. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.